Camera is placed on the guard railing between cafe and restroom showers, and you're going to look here. When we look at the elevation, it is set at 8 feet. So Google Earth reads this as 8 feet off of the water, which is a little higher than the 1 foot camera stuff that we did earlier. And then we're going to draw a line to the first platform, which is called platform C, which is directly out in front of it. And then another one a little bit off to the right, which is platform habitat. And when we pull back and look at the distances of these two, we will notice the curve calculator, just to pull that up real fast. And then remember, this was shot October 23rd, 2017, so over 2 years ago at sunrise. The first one is at a distance of 6.08 miles, platform C. And then the second one, off the distance platform habitat, at 10.1 miles. Why are these two important? Well, because at 8 foot elevation, the globe Earth's horizon should be less than 3.5 miles, meaning the horizon should be in front of these things. 29 feet of habitat should be blocked by the curvature in front of these objects. And yet, all of the habitat is visible, even with some compression. And you'll notice, and we'll draw a line here in a second, that the horizon is clearly behind these objects. And what makes this footage and all footage like it so important is that these are static objects, meaning these are not boats. These are always in one place. They're not moving or floating anywhere. And we'll draw the green line on this, and you can see, again, it's not hard to see. Somewhere way off in the distance is the horizon, way further than 10.1 miles. And that should not be. There's no curvature. I mean, and that only happens on a flat world. You will not see this on a curved thing, because eventually these objects should be over the side of the hill. They should be behind the curve. And we just don't see that. These two oil platforms, again, one at 6 and one at 10, are right in front. So tell me optically how that happens. Tell me what atmospheric condition can put the horizon behind these objects. You want to say it's a mirage? Okay, well then if you do that, you can never say that a boat is being chopped in half by the horizon. Because you say, well, no, that's real. A boat being chopped in half by the horizon line, you know, with heavy compression and refraction. Oh, no, that's real. But this right here, sunrise, couldn't be clearer conditions. Not a cloud in the sky, shooting off at oil platforms at 6 miles and 10 miles respectively. You can't tell me that this is a mirage.